Good evening from the farm. I'm about to head up the road. Dad is out there raking one of the fields, getting it ready to do some hay baling. Okay, now they're going to start baling it. We'll see how it goes.
About that far? You can't be like us. You're young.
You're young.
You don't have to stack the bale. You have to video. I like that idea.
I have to stick? I don't know about that.
Old man around here is doing work.
Rick's gonna be the bale stacker today. Maybe. You can do it. So this wraps it up in little bales and then it pops it out, right? Look at that. Look, who came up with this stuff?
Heston did.
Heston came up with it.
Don't get hurt, Mom's here. I'll never hear the end of it.
Oh, look at that. Whoa. Whoa. What is that doing? Rick's falling over. Daily buggy. Years ago, we came out and helped stack all the hay when my kids were little. It's fun to look back at these pictures. You can see how the barn used to be green and how there used to be a green shed there as well. Some of Dad's equipment is the same. And there's Mom driving the tractor. He did some of the bales and just left them in the field, and then we would drive around and pick them up and stack them in the back of our truck. There's Mom again, driving the big tractor. When we were done, we would stack them in the barn. You can see the hayfield was in a different place. That was the early years. I think they'd only had the farm about 4 years at that point. It was like a big old family hay stacking party. It's fun to look back through these pictures and see the way that the farm has changed, the way my family has grown, the fun we had back then. And just be reminded of the fun that we always have together, even when we're stacking hay. But now only poor Rick is out there stacking the hay on the wagon. I feel like maybe I should go help him.
That's what holds them together.
The sun is still up there. We have time.
Oh, by the way, I get a 15.
It's behind the clouds.
Union says I get 15-minute break, so I'm going to take that right now.
Do you want me to help you?
No. You can come up here, though, if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, get your sea legs.
Get my sea legs. Okay. I feel like I'm not being helpful at all, which I'm not. Whoa. Standing. I'm just trying not to fall. Just this row, and then some over there, and that's the last of it. Whoa. Whoa. We're just going around in a circle.
You want to unhook it, I'll go around clean up without the wagon.
Look at that big wagon. Good job, Rick. Good stacking.
I'll probably have a bale more when I'm done here.
Okay, Rick's getting the wagon unhooked so that Dan can just go finish off without the wagon, because there's only these little bits. These, and then they'll be done. There's Dan finishing up the job. Yay for some hay baling. Here's the wheat field that Dad took off the other day. I wasn't able to be here, but I do have some video of the day.